guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I am filming a thrift flip. Woo! Anyways, if you have watched any of my previous videos, love to thrift shop. So, one thing I am not the best at is being crafty. But today, we're going to give it a try. I will be cropping shirts, cropping a skirt, and messing with a pair of overalls. So yeah, let's get started. Why do you have to mow the lawn right now? The first thing we will be doing is cropping this blue skirt. I actually find this really stunning, and I've been meaning to crop it for what, like a year and a half? I got it so long ago, but I never got around to it, so we're gonna do that today. I really like this skirt, but it is definitely too long, so I will be cutting it shorter. So first things first, I need to try it on and figure out where exactly I want to cut it. So I tried it on and measured it, and I think I'm going to end up cutting about a few inches off. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to need a pair of scissors, and I'm going to go to the skirt. Make sure that this skirt is lined up pretty well. Move my stuff out of the way. Next, I'm going to take some of the strings that have come off, and I'm going to be de-stressing this bottom of the skirt a bit. So one way I'm de-stressing is with my fingernails, taking the skirt and slowly just moving it along the edge to get some of the strings up. Then I'll do the same to the back side so it looks somewhat symmetrical. I just realized I forgot to take a before shot of this skirt. Okay, I think I've distressed it enough. Now we'll try it on. Turns out I did not cut this long enough, so we're going to cut off some more. Time to cut off even more! I also decided to make a headband with some of the remaining fabric that I cut off. So basically how I did this is I took the strip and I, along the seams, cut off one section and opened it, and then I cut off some more because it's too long. And I took it and tied the top into a bow. And then I got this cute little headband. Okay, the next item I will be messing with is this Tommy Hilfiger polo top. It's super cute on its own, but I'm going to take some scissors to it and crop it. The good thing is this will be pretty easy to crop because it already has lines built into it. So I will cut it on this white and blue line. Next, I have something a little bit riskier. I have my grandfather's overalls that he gave me, and I will be updating them a bit so that they are more my style. Right now I have them rolled up, so I'm just going to cut where I rolled them up, and then I can roll that up and sew it. Okay, so now I have the bottoms cut off, and I'm going to try them on and see what else I want to do with it. Okay, so that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe down below and hit the thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed this video because even though I had no idea what I was doing, I think it turned out pretty gosh darn okay. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed.